Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get this video started. In this video, I'm showing you how to remove your clock spring for your SRS. It's not too difficult, but there's a couple very important steps you got to do so you don't damage your clock spring. So your SRS, which controls your airbag system on your vehicle, so it'll work. Plus your horn. And also, if your SRS doesn't work, your airbags, like I said, they won't deploy if you get in a wreck. But also, it disables your ABS on some vehicles. So you still have, your hydraulic brakes, but you don't have analog brakes because it's all tied into the security safety system of your vehicle. And on this vehicle, the SRS clock spring, once you get the steering wheel removed to get it unplugged, is only held on with 3 screws. One right there, and then one right there. And this entire assembly, this bottom piece, all this, just lifts right off. But it's very important that you don't damage these plastic tabs that the manufacturer, they cover them this like electric tape stuff. So when you slide the steering wheel on, it goes through 2 pinholes in the steering wheel that allows the steering wheel to be reclocked, because this tab that goes all through the steering wheel on your vehicle, it only goes one way. It can't go this way or this way or this way, so you can't have your steering wheel upside down. It goes, and like you said, you'll see it on a vehicle when you take the steering wheel off. This piece right here goes on the bottom part of the steering wheel, but these 2 tabs, without these 2 tabs, your steering wheel can be off on the threads, 2 or 3 degrees one way or the other without these tabs. So instead of your steering wheel putting your hands on it and it be steering wheel straight, your hands are at 9 and 3, or whatever, 9, 3, and 10 and 2. All right, your hands can be at 8 and 1, or 11 and 7. If you break these tabs off, then like I said, you can't realign the steering wheel. And it's very important that you don't break these tabs and removing the steering wheel or removing the clock spring. So we'll go ahead and get these 3 screws out, like I said, guys, and then we'll pull this right off and show you how it's done. Alright, guys, once you get those 3 screws removed, gently wiggle it up off the steering column. And then you can unplug it from right here at the base. The plug's on the bottom of the sensor. And you can either unplug them here, or you can go up underneath the column and unplug them down there, whichever one you choose. This one we're actually going to, because the one tab, I don't want to break it, that's right here behind. This one's fairly simple to unplug. But the one tab, we're going to go up underneath, and we're going to unplug it from the column. Alright, guys, once you reach right up in there in the column and unplug it, that's the same as the airbag plug, just the opposite. One's a male, one's a female end. You can slide the whole assembly right up out. And there you go, guys. That's how you remove the clock spring assembly, like I said, without damaging your alignment tabs on your vehicle. Hopefully I found this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.